Today we are making a DIY desk organizer. First, we need to measure and mark our wood. This ensures a perfect fit. Let's get crafting. We carefully sand the edges to make them smooth. Now we blow away any excess dust. Apply a small amount of glue along the edge, and we join the pieces together like this. That is our basic structure. Now we wipe away any remaining dust. And place your stationary items inside. And that is your completed organizer. Today, we're making a custom photo frame. First, arrange your colorful clothespins like this. Now, apply a thin line of glue. Today, we're making a custom. Arrange your colorful clothespins like this. Now, apply a thin line of glue. Place your first photograph into a clothespin. Now add another photo to a different clothespin. Repeat this with 1 or 2 more pictures. There you have it, a cute mini photo display.